So I'll tell you what are the things you are going to learn in this Java. Okay. Okay. So now see here. So I'll take one notepad. So notepad, save as installation Java and Eclipse installation. Okay, here okay, so first thing is how to install Java. Okay, the basic thing. So just go here, type Java Oracle download. Okay, there you go. So to download. One second, ma. Okay, ma. So to download, Java. So first thing is you need to search Google search for Java Oracle download. Okay, just copy this. Okay, this is the thing you need to search. And after doing this, you have this link. Okay, this is the link. Just copy this. In this link, you can see some, two Java things are there. Java 19 and Java 17 is there. So now I'm going to, download the updated one. So till March 2023 is there. So I'm just going to get this Java 19 and come down. You can see some three things are there: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Just click on Windows, and here you have one file, right? Just click on this. You can see the file is downloading. So here, Java 19. Okay. And then you need to choose Windows. If you guys are using any different OS, or the system you might have been using some other OS, right? So Unix or Red Hat, so something else. So for that you need to use this downloads. Okay. As of now, I'm using Windows. So I'm going for this X64 install. Okay, so this you have to choose and download it. So once you're done with the download, what happen is you need to double click on this download. So you have to double click on the download option, and you have to click on next. Okay, so once it is done, it will get installed. Okay, so after doing this, what you have to do is, I already installed in my PC. See here. If you want to check where it has been installed, so go to the C drive, program files, Java, JDK. So this is your file path. Okay. So see, after doing this, you need to set the file path. Okay. So just go and click on the edit environmental variable. To set a path, go to the edit environment variable. Okay, so this is how you have to do. So once you click on that, see here, you can see a path, right? So in this path, you need to set something. So what you need to do is, so already you have chosen the that is file, right? File path. So you need to copy this file path and paste it in the path. The path variable, you have to copy this. Once you've done this, click on OK. So after doing all these things, you need to check in the command prompt. So just I'll close this. Go to the command prompt, just click on this Java hyphen version. So this is a way you can check whether the your Java is installed or not. Okay. So command prompt, you need to type Java hyphen version. Once you've done this, you can see the version. If you are getting any error, something you are mistaken in the environmental settings. Okay, just check on that. And now, how we can do a simple coding in this? Okay, so just go here. I'm having one file. So D drive Java coding. The basic file is there. So what I've done is just right click and open this file. Okay, so notepad. So here I have created one class name is attendance, and I have a method. A method is called static void main method. I will explain you what all these things, but basic coding how we need to run, so that we'll understand. Okay, so here I have a attendance. So I'm going to run this .java file. So how I can run this? Just go here. See here. So this is in a different drive. So I'm in the C drive, but I want to go to the D drive. So what I will do? So you need to just D colon. So after doing this, you can see here, right? So in this place, I'm in the folder Java coding. Okay. So CD, that is change the directory. So Java codings. Just click on this, you have this path. So now you can run this file. So first you want to compile this file, right? So Java C, and the what the file name is attendance.java. So this is how you will do. Once you done this, just run the file. So how to run the file? So Java attendance. Okay, you can see the name has been done. Okay, for example, to be very clear, so I'll take this file. Okay, I'll copy this file, and what I will do is better I'll save it in the different file. So I'm going to save it here. So I'm saving it here, and just click on this and save the file information. Save as. I'm going to save this as .java. So .java. Okay, see here my .java file have been created. So now what I will do is just right click, go to this file, and I'm going to change this to good evening guys. Okay, so this is the some print. I'm going to print this one. For that I'm just saving the file. So just close all these things. So now how I can run? So just go here. So I am not in the Java codings, right? So just go back. So I'm in the D drive. What is the file name? Percentage. So Java C percentage dot Java. So what happened? Oh, okay. Sorry. So I need to change this one. So what is it? Percentage. So now I will, run the file. So you can see it is converted to .java class. So now Java percentage. You can see. So I have the file name as good evening, guys. Output. Okay, this is how you will run the file. So what is the step? The step is, so in command prompt, you need to set the file path. Okay, and then after doing that, you need to mention Java C. You have to compile that. Okay, after compiling it, you need to mention the class name dot Java, and then you need to mention like this. So this is how the steps will be. So this is a normal way which you will do, but we have one more thing that is called as a Eclipse. So Eclipse is a editor, so that also you can use. As most probably in 80% of companies they are using, Eclipse. So I'll request you guys to know about Eclipse because that will be well and good. Okay, so how to download and how to use it? So just go here and type eclipse.org. I'll paste this file here. Eclipse. Okay. So after doing this, you can see at the bottom, this one you have to download. I click on this download. Just click on this. Okay, see here the file is getting downloaded. So it takes some time to download. So what we'll do is click on. Okay, after doing this, you just double click on that file. Okay, so it will go to the next option. So once it is done, it will ask what kind of application you're going to develop. So so just select Java developer option. Okay, so once you click on that option, you will see this kind of editor. Okay, so what I will do is just go to the file and new project, a Java project. So better I'll go with project. Uh, so I'm going to create a Java project. So better I'll go with Java project itself. The project name is, let it be like capstone project. So this is my project. Okay, I'm just creating. So where is the capstone project? Yeah, here I have. So this is the two folders I have in the Java. So one is called as JRE system library. The other one is SRC. So JRE is Java runtime environment. So this will be your interview question. So what is that? So it has some class libraries. So if you click on that, you can see so many classes which is available. Class libraries are available here. And in the SRC, you're going to create a class. So how we have did in the percentage, the same thing you're going to do it here. Okay. What are the steps? So in Eclipse, you need to go to the new and click on project. After doing that, you need to uh, after creating a project, so you can see some two things, JRE and SRC. In SRC, in JRE, you will have a class libraries. Okay, and in SRC, will be you need to create a class. Okay, so as of now, I've created a. I have not done it. So just right click on it in new class. Just click on the class, and you can give a class name. So I'm giving a capstone is my class name, and I need a public static void main. Just click on that, give finish. So this is how it will be. So it will be a predefined one. You don't want to type each and every single character. So it automatically assign and it will show you what is the error. So see here, I'm giving some system dot out dot println. Okay, so this is how it will be. So here I'm going to give some values. So um Java framework, Java framework. So this is the text I want to run. So just click on this run button so you can see the output here itself. So it is Java framework. This is a simple way you need to install the Eclipse and Java on your PC. Before coming to the next session, so you should know how to have these things. Okay. So this is how you will be doing, and now we'll discuss what are the important things we should know in Java. Okay, so we'll go with some examples. Give me 1 minute. Okay, ma. So first, we'll understand what is the things in Java, the basics of Java. Okay, because if you are okay with this only, so next classes will be easy. So when you are learning servlet and JSP, it will be a little difficult and challenging for you. So for that purpose, you should know the basics. So what is Java? So first thing is, so whoever asked this question, so you need to say tell that is a simple programming language. Okay. And if you are writing in compilation and debugging a program is very easy here. Okay. And also it uses helps to reusable the code. So what are the Java features we have? So actually the first one is the features are why we are going for Java. Okay. So the features are nothing but the first thing is it's a platform independent. So why it is called as a platform independent? So during the compilation of the Java program. Okay. So during the so converts into the code. So we know that it has been changed to the dot class file, right? So here you can see. So this is how it will be. So in the compilation, so it's a platform independent. Using this bytecode, we can run the application. Okay. So using the bytecode, we can run the application to any platform such as Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Okay, you can run anywhere. So because of that process, so that is why it is called as a platform independent and open source. So open source, we already know about this term. So open source is nothing but program in in which the source code is available to the general public for use. Okay, so actually this is of free of cost. So that is called as a open source. And we can also do the multi-threading here. So multi-threading is nothing but Java supports multi-threading. So multi-threading is it enables a program to perform several tasks simultaneously. Okay, so this is how it will be, and more secure. So how it is more secure? So it provides the virtual firewall between application. Okay. So it will create a firewall. So it does not, grant the unauthorized access. So many banking process they are using Java. Okay. So this is a main important thing. So it does not grant unauthorized access, and it is also portable. So how it is portable? So see here, I can write once and run anywhere. That is called as a portable. So Java code written in one machine and can run it on the another machine. Yes, it is portable. Okay. Java code. Okay. So this is how it will be. And what are the basics things and what are the terminologies we should know? So these are the main important things when you are attending the interviews. They will ask these types of questions. Okay. See here. So it is JDK, JRE, and JVM. This question definitely will be asked. So JDK is already we know it is a Java development kit. What is Java development kit? If example, if any applications we need to run, so we need a JDK. So I'll show you where it is. So we have downloaded it, right? See here, this folder. Go to the program files, Java. So to run a program, we need this JDK. So otherwise, not be able to run. Okay. And what is JRE? Java environment. Okay. So actually, this is a predefined class files. Just go here, and in this you can see n number of library files. It's a predefined class files. Okay. So it is a predefined dot class files. Okay. And what is called as JVM? JVM is Java Virtual. So what is that? If you're trying used to allocate the memory and compiling. For that purpose, we are using this. So we already know. So it will convert Java byte code. For that purpose, we are using this JVM. And what are the tools I'm going to use? So you can choose any of the tools. So see here, you can go with a notepad, or you can go with a NetBeans, or you can go with the Eclipse, or J Developer, Oracle, or a RAD, I believe. Okay. So these are the different tools, but I prefer you guys to take this one. So most of the 80% of people is using this. Okay. And what are the OOPS concepts and what we need to understand? Okay. So OOPS concept. So OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming structure. Okay, this is called as a OOPS, and this is a method. Actually, the OOPS is a method of implementation. So what it is going to implement is, in which programs are organized as a collection. So this is a definition you need to give in telling about the interview point of view. For that only I'm giving this notes. So make a note of it. Okay, these are the key points. If the question is asked, you need to answer this. Okay, so OOPS is a object-oriented programming structure, and this is a method. So actually, this is a method. Organized collections of what will be there is. We'll take some simple example. So see here I have a class. So this was called as a class, and I have not created an object, but there is a method, main method. So this is entire thing is called as a OOPS concept. And what are the principles we have? So OOPS principles are, first one is class, method, objects. Fourth one is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, so this is how it will be. So the class is nothing but, so what is class? So class, you should know how we are going to define it. So it's a collections of, the class is a collections of methods or a collection of object. See here. So this is my class, right? So in this class, I have a method, but I have not created an object, but I'll tell you how to create an object. Okay. So this is how it will be. So within the class, it has contained this. And if you are creating a project name, so we'll created a project name. See here. So so this is my project name, right? Capstone project. So in this capstone project, so how the strings will be. So the first the word, each word, the first character should be in a capital letter. That is, it is called as a Pascal notation. So you need to mention it in a Pascal notation. Okay, and also what are the Pascal notation? So and also we need to mention the class name in a Pascal notation. And if you are mentioning the packages name, so packages is this is called as a package. I have not yet created any packages. This is a default package. So if you are going to create a package, so what you will do is you need to give that in a all should be a small character, small letters. Example like this. So org.cts. So this is how it will be. Okay. And how we can mention the method. So method should be in a camel case and the variable also. Okay. So this is how it will be. Okay. Camel cases like this method example get info. So this is called as a info about. So this is called as a passcode. So each and every word, the first word alone, it will be in a small character. The other word, first character should be in a capital letter. So this is how it will be. Okay. And so how to create, objects and methods. So we'll see some simple example. Just go here. So in this file itself, I'm going to edit. So I'm going to get the student details. Okay. How I'm going to create a class. Okay. So the object is the instance of class, right? So how we are going to create that. Okay. Let's check. I'll remove all these things. So this is a simple class I have. I'm going to create some three methods. Okay. So just check. This is not a main method. So public void student. Okay. And then just copy this. So here I'll change to address, the email ID. Okay. And at the bottom only, I'm going to create a main method. Just copy this. In main method only, you will get the output. So here, what I will do is, what is the main method? So void main. So inside this, you have to mention two access modifiers, that is public and static. Void main string arguments of. So this is how it will be. Okay. So in between, we need to call this method. So how I'm going to do? So first I'll give some printing things. System Vedika, and I'm giving some mail ID. So I have created like this. So I'm going to get the details of Niveta. Okay. So what I will do is, So here I need to create a class. So what is our class name? So using this only you will be able to create an object. Okay. So this is my class name. So I'm giving object name as A. And how you need to create is, so you need to use a class name and then the object name, whatever it may be, you can give anything. And you need to use a new operator. After this, you need to mention capstone. That is a class name of. You need to define it. Okay, after doing this, you need to call all these things. So how we can call the methods? First is object dot. What is the method name? It's student name. So student name of. Just copy this one. So here and here it will be a phone number. Is this correct or wrong? So a dot is the error. So now we'll run this code. So here you can see all the details of data. So this is how you will be getting the value. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with what it is. Yes? Yes or no? And first we need to understand the basics of, I'll also copy this code, simple code. Just run once you install that. Okay. Next one is access specifier. So here we have something called as public, protected, and default, and then private. Okay. So these are the different access, specifier. So we are going to use it in a project. So first we should know how we can, use it in our coding. So how, what are the important things will have it, because so this gonna help you a lot in your coding wise, I'm telling. So if you once you go to work also, will understand how we can use this. Okay, so let's have some different example for different access specifier, so it will be clear for you. First we should understand the difference of these things. The first one is default. What is default? So default is declarations are visible only within the package. So within the package only you can see this default. Okay. But what is private? So private is again a declarations or visible within the class only and protected declarations or visible within the package or all the subclasses. And what is public? So public is a declaration or visible everywhere. It is not restricted. Okay. So default is visible only within a package. Private is visible. It is, yes, visible within the package for all the subclasses. Okay. And this is a declarations are visible everywhere. So we'll see some example for this. So if you don't have explicitly specify any access modifier for a class, or method variables, etc. Then by default, access modifier is considered. For example, can go like this. I'll create one more class. So right click. We create one package. So package name is default. This is a default package. Okay, here I will create one class. So the class name, for example, log. So I don't want any public or something. So just clicking on this, yes. In this one, in the package default packager, I have a class. Okay. Here I'm not going to specify anything in the method. See here, this is a default one. So void message of. So within this, I'm going to print some value. Okay. System dot out dot println. Okay, this is how my statement is, and put semicolon. See here, I have created a default package. So you already know. So declarations are visible within the package. You cannot be use it on the another one. So I have not used any, specifier here, right, in the method. Here also I don't want to specify any specifiers, access specifiers. So within the package, it will be. So if you run this, so I'm running capstone project. And what is the file? A minute. I can't run it in a server. Okay, I'll tell you this one. Okay, so actually it has to run. Okay, Mal, I'll let you know about this. Okay, from on tomorrow's class, we'll discuss about these things. I'll share the notes in the chat box. Okay, make a use of it. So give me a second.